welcome back to my channel. My name is Cassie Causey. I have Louie with me today because we're going to be showing you how to apply your flawless face. Can I have kisses? Say hi. Oh, don't eat my nose.
In your box, you're going to get a travel size moisture prep, which is going to last you for several months. This is a moisturizer and primer in one. You only need a single pump, which is going to do your entire face. You will also get a mineral concealer and the brush. The concealer will come in your skin tone. We will start by applying this prior to our foundation. This will hide all of your dark circles, any blemishes. It covers acne. It reflects light and brightens the face. It hides sun damage, rosacea. It is a natural sun blocker with no chemicals and pure minerals. You can apply it dry or wet. I prefer dry. If you prefer wet, just simply add some of the moisture prep with your concealer. This concealer jar will typically last you anywhere between 3 to 6 months, and it has a shelf life of forever. Choose powder or liquid. We are using powder today. I flip the jar over, tap it to get it inside of my lid. You also get the Kabuki brush, tap that into the lid, and then I like to tap the brush onto the back of my hand to set the minerals inside of the brush. I gently tap that onto my skin until I get the coverage that I'm looking for. This is completely buildable, so you can get that medium to full coverage depending on what you're looking for without that heavy or cakey feel. It is completely lightweight. It doesn't contain talc, perfumes, dyes, or harsh chemicals because it is mineral-based makeup. It doesn't clog your pores. It's hypoallergenic, and it also provides you a natural sunscreen protection. It lasts for up to 18 hours. And it is waterproof. I absolutely love this makeup. It is so smooth to the skin. It is safe for sensitive skin. It is absolutely incredible. Look at that coverage. Isn't it just amazing? Your box also contains a bronzer and a MultiTasker brush. So same concept, you're going to tap a little bit in the lid, and using your MultiTasker brush, you're just going to start to contour your face. I start from the top of my ear, coming diagonal towards the corner of my lip, and then I frame my face. So for this tutorial, I'm just doing half of my face because I really want to show you the difference from one half to the other half. And then once you get your bronzer on, I just start to blend it out. And I love the minerals because they blend so well. You only need a very small amount, so this jar could last you up to 2 years. I just love the pigmentation in these products. You also get the blush, and I'm going to use the same brush and brush that onto my cheeks. At this point, Louie was very distracting, and I'm going to say that you get the veil, and the veil you're going to put on last to really give you that flawless face. I completely lost track of my recording, and I couldn't show you the half face because I recorded over it, but this is the final finish of the whole face. I hope you enjoyed this video. Louie was such a distraction. Sorry for cutting it off and cutting it short, you guys.
Will you quit eating my fingernails?